Lots of toys are fun. Careful, you'll fall now. See? See? It really is slippery. Spiman, we have to clean up. Cleaning up? It's so boring. What if we turn cleaning up into a game? A game? Will there be dancing? Will there be singing? Yes, both. Get ready to hear Spiman's cleanup song. Ha!
Clean up, 1, 2, 3.
Put the toys in the box with me. This is the magic box. Toys go in here. Which room of the room will be clean? Hey kids, let's clean up with us. Little bear, time to go home. Let me go into the clean box too. Clean up, clean up. 1, 2, 3. Are the teddy bears sleeping in the box? Yes, the box is the bear's bed. Nah. You're so good. Now it's time for the racetrack. Brum, brum, brum. Which car reaches the box first? Red car goes in first. Green car goes in second. Yeah, all cars are in the garage. Green block. Red block. Let's build a tall tower, then put the tower to sleep in the box. Careful, careful. Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Blocks in the box. Just a little bit more. Pencil in the cup. Book on the shelf. Where does the ball go? The ball goes in the ball corner. Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Clean up, so easy. Little friends, remember to clean up after playing. Cleaning up is a game.